The BISSELL PowerClean FurFinder 200W cordless vacuum is the ultimate pet owner's tool. Its 200-watt motor removes up to 95% of pet hair twice as fast as others, while FurFinder headlights expose hidden debris. Enjoy 40 minutes of cordless runtime and switch easily between stick, handheld, and high-reach modes. The tangle-free brush roll and HEPA-sealed allergen system capture dust and allergens, ideal for pet homes. With a self-standing design and included attachments, cleaning is effortless, and every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation.